Hello there. In this video, we are going to see the agenda or what we're going to be teaching in the Online Boss Workshop of Tutorage. Right? So as the name suggests, Online Boss Workshop is going to basically be targeted towards anybody who wants to take their business online and make an entrepreneurship goal out of it. Firstly, what you need to become an online boss is an e-commerce website to take your brick and mortar idea into the internet. So during the workshop, we will show you how to build a complete e-commerce website like Myntra, where you can add products and check out them, and we will demonstrate right during the call, and you will also build a similar website in a local machine. Once the e-commerce website is ready, the next step is basically to ensure that that money that comes from the orders reaches your bank account. So we will tell you how to integrate your website with an online payment gateway system. So now that you have some orders flowing and you get money in your bank account, the next logical step is to see how to improve the business with a good insight. So during that, we will teach you how to integrate your website with Google Analytics, which gives you a lot of useful insights for making business decisions. For example, it will tell you information like what time the users are logging in, from which city or state users are coming. All that information will be presented in a dashboard, and we will see how to do that. So now that you have all these beautiful insights, you can run interesting marketing campaigns with it. For example, you could run an offer at 5:30 in the evening and send automatic mails to the users if you think they are coming around 5 p.m. That way, a lot of users will be tempted to make more purchases from your website. And we will tell you how to exactly run an automated marketing campaign like that. Once that is done, let's assume that somebody has come to your website and not made a purchase. You still don't have to be a loser. You can generate something called a passive income by showing them advertisements in the website. So we will show you how to run a Google AdSense advertisement in the website. So all of this will be covered, basically everything that is required. So on a high level, our Online Boss Workshop basically covers the ABC till the XYZ for anybody to generate money with a website online. I'm interested to see you all, so please do enroll